Kaboom! Oh my goodness, you got to see these explosive trades that we had in the Grok day trading chat room this morning. It was on KURA. That's right, here it is in pre-market, and it had been up big in pre-market, and this is right at opening, and it pops up, pulls back, and what we call a bull pullback, and it's running up here, and this was on the nickel increment, by the way, every nickel it was, and I got in, boom, I got in at 975, and then it started to go up. So I'm going to use a stop here, and look at it, already exploded up there. So I'm going to be just 10 cents behind that, about 1%, and let's see what happened next here. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. And now it's popping up here right to this R1 pivot line. It pierced all the way through it. Let's pull this down here. It pulled all the way up here and then snapped down. So I went ahead and I took out half at $10.15 for 4.1% on the first half. Now let's take a look here. What happened after that is it's going to break out from this pivot line, and it does, and then slams right back down again. I'm out at 10.15 on that second half, so total trade here was for 4.1% in just 8 minutes. Whew! And so now I'm going to be nimble here, and it looks like it's starting to fall. If it falls below that 20 moving average and the $10 mark, I'm going to want to go short. So I went ahead and I set up a short there below $10. And sure enough, bam, look at that. It slammed all the way down here to 980. And I got short here at 990, and then I put my stop here right at $10, about 1%, and it slammed all the way down here to 980, and then boom, kaboom, went right back up above 10 bucks, stopped me out for minus 1% in just 2 minutes. Oh well, let's be nimble, and I went ahead and I set up some more trades. If this ends up being a bull pullback, I'm ready to go. Are you ready? This is where the fun begins here, folks. Boom, boom, boom. I'm now long here at $10.30, again on the nickel increments on this KURA. And then look at this. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm going to use a stop here. Let's see. Here's pull this up. Let's just use this as a stop. And we're going to pull it up here. Now watch this, folks. Here we go. And I'm going to pull it up here. Look at this. I'm already way in the money here. So I'm going to pull it up in the money. Love it when that happens. And it's now up here. And it hits the $11 mark here. Is it going to bust out above $11 or not? And it sits there for a while. The doji sits there. It's now basing, bringing my stop up just under where that low was at 1080. And ready to go here. And boom, it breaks out above $11. Doggies. And let's keep on going here. Let's get going. Well, we got to actually shrink this down so we can see the whole trade here. Let's go. And let's see if it goes on from here. Oh, sure enough. Boom, 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 boom. Now it's hitting the R2 pivot line up here. Wow. Look at that. It's way up here. So it's going that. So I went ahead and I took out half now. I took out half at 1165 for 13.1% on the first half, and we're going to bring our stop up way in the money here, and we're going to keep on riding this puppy, let our winners run here, and boom, 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 it's out of the picture here. Let's try to shrink this down again and bring it down. Wow, look at that. Look at that, 1275. This sucker is now up over 80% on the day, and look at it run, run, run here. So let's take a look at moving our stop up here up to $12, just under $12. Let's give it a little bit of room to run here, and it's going to snap back. Look how overextended it is. It's likely to come back a little bit, and sure enough, no, it high bases up here. Wow, we can't even get this whole trade in here. Get up the high base here at $13. So look at it, $13 area. It's snapping back and forth. I mean, some of these candles are like 3%, 4% from in range on each candle. So I keep bringing my stop up along this 8 EMA as it's high basing up here, and sure enough, right there, it comes down here, bam, snaps down and gets me out at $12.70 for, you ready for this? 23.3% on the second half. Ooh, doggies, that's good, isn't it? Now, so let's take a look here at that whole trade there. That last trade is we got up here when it stalled. I took it out half, and then when it came up here, it was high basing. As soon as it snapped below the 8 EMA, I got out. And so this total third trade was for 18.2% in just 14 minutes. Oh my goodness, these three trades, it isn't even 10 o'clock on the market, the first 30 minutes of the market, and we are already up over 20% in the Grok room. In fact, if you want to trade with us, you stay tuned here. Let me show you what we did just today. Now this was an extraordinary day in the chat room, but look at this. Here, those are the first three trades that I just ran across for you there. And then look, we had some other big trades. And so for the day today, we were at, our target is 5% return on risk. We were at 29.85%. Folks, with our model portfolio investing $10,000 per trade, that ends up being $2,985 of income for 3 hours worth of trading. Actually, today we quit at about 11 o'clock because, hey, we already made our money on the day and the market slowed down. And now look at this for the week. Now, again, it was only a 4-day week. And here we are. Here's what the results were for the week here. Look at that. And for the week, we netted 52%. That's right, about $5,200 in our model portfolio in 4 days worth of trading. This was an exceptional week, I have to admit that. But our target is, well, for a 4-day week, it would have been 20%, would have been about $2,000 because we're trying to get 5% per day. So if you'd like to join us, you can. And you can check it out for 7 days. No risk offer here. So just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. And then right up here it says Grokstar chat room. You can go there and you can read about our chat room and join now. And it's 7 days free trial. That's right, risk free. After 7 days, if it isn't working for you, that's okay. Go, no questions asked, full refund. Other than that, man, just join us. And you know, the price of it's about 1 commission per day. Not bad, right? Again, this was an exceptional day, but we've been having a lot of exceptional days lately, and we'd love to have you join us. Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that the fear of loss is greater than the desire for gain. Trade well, and may your winners run.